Hello and welcome to the Blockchain Mathematician channel, where on this channel we discuss everything from mathematics, physics, to cryptocurrency and how to code cryptocurrency. And in this video, this will be the first episode on the full guide on cryptocurrency. And in this episode, we'll be discussing how to look at cryptocurrency in the charts. Well, in this video, we won't necessarily be discussing technical analysis. We'll just be looking at how you can actually find these charts and how to actually look at some further information on these cryptocurrencies. So let's get started. First, I want everybody to go to this website right here, CoinMarketCap. You can search that up into your Google search engine, and you'll click on the first link, and you'll be able to find this screen right here. And if you want it to be light or dark, you can click on this symbol in the top. I'll leave it as dark, and so let's get started. Once you're on the screen, you can scroll down and look for the cryptocurrency you'd like to look at. For this video, I'll be looking at the most popular one, which is Bitcoin. And once you do, this is the screen you should be able to get. And right away, you see how you have the price on the top left of your screen, and on the right side of your screen, you're going to have a bunch of comments and different opinions on Bitcoin at the time, right? And after you look at that, you'll be able to look in the center, and you'll see that there's an analysis bar right here where you can look at the actual price and the historical price of Bitcoin. So once you're on that, what I'd like you to click is TradingView. So once you click on TradingView, you'll see that this new screen comes up, and this is the technical analysis chart, and it's coming from TradingView, which is another website where you can look at crypto, stocks, and forex trading. So once you're on this, you'll be able to look at the price, and the way to read this is by looking at the following: the most recent candlestick bar, or historical candlesticks, depending on them, and you want to look at the color of the candlestick. And the candlestick is this bar right here, or any of these bars. Those are candlesticks. And let's say the candlestick is red. That means that on that exact day, which in my case, the most recent one is August 17th, 2023. On that exact day, the price went down. It dropped, right? But if we were to go back and look at some other candlesticks, we'll see that 13th of March, 2023, the price went up. Right? So if it's green, it means it went up, which is determined to be a bullish candlestick. But if it's red and that means that the price went down on that exact day, and that says that the price is bearish on that day. So those are just some technical terms which cryptocurrency traders use. And if you want, you can just go back into the historical evidence and look at all of these different movements in the chart and how cryptocurrency always is bouncing up and down, right? So the main idea of how to trade cryptocurrency with profit in day trading is by predicting these movements in the price and actually being able to act on them. So for example, let's say the price just went down, and let's say some kind of trader thinks that the price is going to go up in the future, then they'd buy now, and then when they see that the price has gone up and they predict that it's going to go down, they sell the cryptocurrency which they already have. Therefore, they made a profit. So that's pretty much the whole idea of cryptocurrency, day trading, right? But there's also some other techniques, such as arbitrage and other kinds of cryptocurrency strategies, right? But those will be discussed in further videos, not for today. But for now, let's look into some other time frames. So if you were to look in the top left on this technical analysis screen, you'll be able to see how there's 1M, 30M, 1H, and D. Right? So D stands for day, the day chart. So that every single bar which you see here is the span within one day. So every single day, one of these candlesticks is made. So once you see that these symbols in the top left, you can click on one of them. In this case, I'm going to click on 1H. Immediately, the chart begins to look a little different. And this is because every candlestick is not made within one day, but rather 1 hour, which is what 1H stands for. And we can also do the same for 30M, which stands for 30 minutes, and 1M, which stands for 1 minute, right? So this is pretty much what's called the time frame, and pretty much whatever you choose. So let's say the 1 day time frame, that pretty much shows that every single candlestick is made within the span of that time frame, which in my case is a day. And so that's pretty much how you are capable of looking in a more condensed time frame or more expanded time frame, so you can get a better view on the chart. And next, if you look to the right of the day chart or of the time frame, you'll be able to see these symbols right here. And if you click on the arrow, you're going to be able to see a lot more. And in this case, I'm going to be clicking on another one, because right now we're using candles. But if we were to click on Heikin Ashi, we'd be able to see that this looks a lot more clean, and it's much easier to see which way the market is heading. So in this case, what it does is it puts all of the green candles together, and it pretty much shows the current trend in the market right now. Yeah. So trend pretty much is either saying bullish or bearish. And remember those terms. When it's bearish, that means the market is going down. But if it's bullish, that means that the price is going up. So that means that if you see a lot of red candles, that means that the market is currently in a bearish market or a bearish trend. But if you see a bunch of green candles, that most likely means that it's a bullish trend. So yeah, if you want, you can also experiment with some of these other designs of your market, which you can get further understanding if you were to look into those. But for today's video, that's pretty much all that we're going to discuss, and the rest we'll be discussing in the future videos of the series. And yeah, so if you'd like to watch some of those other videos, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.